Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Azhar Fikri bin Azmi. My members is Muhammad Fairuz, Muhammad Ali Hashimi and Muhammad Farhan Naim. Today we will present about vector and scalar in shipping. For the first presenter, I want to invite Farhan Naim.
Okay. The introduction of vector scalar in shipping. Ships, like are vehicles designed for passage or transportation across water. Ships enough to carry small boats such as safety boats or outboard boats. Normally, a ship can carry a boat, but a boat cannot carry a ship. At which a boat is called a ship is often defined by local laws and regulation. Ship control is captain and crew along with cargo. Okay.
History of shipping is Malay civilization long location in the Malay archipelago in a maritime civilization according to its strategic position at the crossroads of maritime trade between east and west. Location-based deployment and administration of the city's main port and ships rantau. Kapal, of course, plays an important role in maritime trade environment, and since the beginning of the French maritime trader have been using various types of vessels to conduct trade. Example of the type of shipping for the exploration of the oceans and continents. The type of medium for the exploration ship between port in Indonesia, and the type of ships for or smaller vessel for coastal and river activities.
Okay. Difference between vector and scalar. I will present basic of conversion, meaning, quantity, change, operation, comparison of two quantities and section. Meaning of scalar quantity is physical quantities that instructions are known as scalar quantity. Meaning of vector quantity is the vector quantity is one, which has both magnitude and quantity. Scalar, one-dimensional quantity. Quantity of vector quantity is multi-dimensional quantity. Change of scalar is it change with change in change of vector is change with a change of direction or magnitude or both. Operation of scalar follow the usual rules of algebra. Vector is follow the rules of vector. Comparison of two quantities of scalar is easy, but vector quantity, a section of scalar quantity, scalar can divide other scalar, and vector quantity is two vectors cannot be divided. Next. Azhan mic. Azhan, please open the mic.
Okay. Sorry. For scalar quantity definition, the term scalar quantity is defined as a quantity that requires only one field number attached to a unit of measurement, such as degree or meter. It is a quantity that is provide a magnitude or measurement only, defined by numerical values along with a unit of measurement. For example, car speed, body temperature, distance between two locations, and so on. Common algebraic method can be used for total scalar quantities. Since scalars can be added, subtracted, or multiplied. in the same way as number. However, Scala operation can only be performed for quantity with the same unit of measurement. For this, so definition of vector quantity is mathematical quantities to independent feature to fully describe them, namely magnitude and direction. Here the magnitude represent the size of the quantity, which is also its absolute value, while the direction represent the side, namely east, west, north, south, and other. For example, transfer between 2 point, velocity and acceleration of the moving body and weight.
So next, let me go to calculation and let me find a problem and its solving. So when we look at this picture, there are 3 places. The location A is at Paris, location B at Italy, and location C at New York City. So given vector A equal to 3, -5, 1. Vector B, -2, 7, 3. And vector C is 3, 4, -1. So we need to find the distance of AB and AC. So the solution is AB equal to AO plus OB. So we know the vector of AO is opposite. So we need to put we can get -3, 5, -1 plus -2, 7, 3. So the vector, so the answer is -5, 12, 2. Next, we need to find the distance of AC. So AC equal to AO plus OC. AO is opposite, so we need to put a symbol negative. So negative OA plus OC. So we can get -3, 5, -1 plus 3, 4, -1. So the answer is 0, 9, -2. And lastly, we can find the distance of AB and AC. AB multiply AC equal to -5, 12, 2 multiply 0, 9, -2. So we can get -5 multiply 0 equal to 0, 12 multiply 9 equal to 108, and 2 multiply -2 equal to -4. So 0 plus 108 plus tolak 4 equal to 104. So this is a final answer for this problem. So that's all from us for today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tekan stop je lah.